Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the screen timeout in Windows 11. It is really very annoying. You're doing something and you just left your computer for a few minutes and you get a lock screen and you want to change it. You want longer time or shorter time for lock. You can do that by just doing a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Now here at the left-hand side, we need to go to the fifth option from the top, which is personalization. And we will click on that. And you will get background colors, themes, dynamic. And here we go. We have lock screen. We will click on that. And then you will find related settings, screen timeout. I will click on that. And you can check the power mode, whether it's balanced or you have another option. If you scroll down and you will find sleep hibernate timeouts. If we click on that, when your charger is plugged in, turn my screen after 15 minutes. Make my device sleep after 15 minutes. So you want whatever you want. If it is on battery, you want shorter time or longer time, you can change it according to your convenience. So this is how you can change the screen timeout in Windows 11. And once you do that, it will be on the same setting. So I'll just keep when plugged in, I'll keep it 20 minutes. And when on battery, I'll keep 15 minutes. This is convenient for me. You can change it according to yourself. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe and do let me know in the comment section if you have another query or concern. I'll try my best to resolve your problem. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.